Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable Wi-Fi on Chuwi GemiBook. And to do this, first I should mention that there's two different options for it. First one is much quicker, so we can click on the Wi-Fi sign in the bottom right corner of the screen, and then you should see this toolbar. You can click on the Wi-Fi sign to turn it on or off. There's also option to enable airplane mode, which should deactivate the Wi-Fi as well. But moving on to the second method is to go to the start, open the settings, then enter network and internet, and there's Wi-Fi, which you can activate or deactivate. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.